Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I didn't get the orange like everybody else. This is going to be a quick 1-2 week review. Honestly, I'm so impressed by this phone. Like the quality of the images. I started shooting raw. I took it to Red Rock and I took a couple pictures. I'll post them up right here. But the quality, I think phones are getting to the point where they might be close enough to replace your camera, where you're not doing like professional work, but you still want that professional look. I'm blown away by the camera. Obviously, that's one reason why I upgraded. I am coming from an iPhone 13 Pro. That phone was lasted me a good 4 years, but I thought it was time to upgrade. It was dying too fast, so I was like, let's upgrade this year. And also, like, Apple Log 2, that thing is sick, dude. Like, being able to shoot log on a phone is kind of insane. You can only shoot it on 24 frames per second unless you got a SSD to do 60 frames or higher. But at 24, like, I'm still able to get like those cinematic shots, which I enjoy. I'll put an example here to show you how I color grade it, but it looks phenomenal with these photo and video capabilities on this iPhone. Like, honestly, like, sometimes I might just not even take my camera anymore. But yeah, honestly, the three things I was just looking forward to on this phone was better battery life, better photo capabilities, and better video capabilities, and I feel like they deliver on all three. Yeah, so far I'm enjoying the phone. I'm hoping to do more in-depth tests, take it out in the field and shoot some other stuff. But we'll see. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you want me to test with this phone. I'm super enjoying it, so let me know what you thought about it, if you did get it or not, or you're skipping out, and I'll see you on the next video.